Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Steve, your host, and in this episode we are complete with our HobbyBoss Leopard 2A4 Shelf of Doom rescue. I'm pretty happy with the results. I hope you guys enjoyed the video series. You guys take care, and as always, please like, share, and subscribe. All right then, thank you. We're back. We are finished with the Shelf of Doom rescue of HobbyBoss's Leo 2A4. Have to say, I'm glad I went back to it. It turned out to be a nice kit. My skills got a bit better, my patience got a bit longer, and I'm happy I came back to it. Just want to go over a couple things that I did to the kit that needed fixing. Probably the biggest thing you'll see here, it's the mating between the lower and the upper here. You need a bit of extra sheet styrene, and you need some putty to fix that. So don't put any of these guys on until you're happy with this fit. Other than that, that was pretty simple. I did some work on the side skirts. What I did with the side skirts, I separated them here just so I could get a better fit. I found that trying to get the entire length on was a bit of a problem for me, so I separated them here with a razor saw on this line, installed this guy, then came back to install this, and you know, it worked out just fine. Kit comes with photo etch. You get photo etch for the screens back here, which I think is a really nice touch. You have these large fans back there, and there's a grill there, but these screens that go over them, they're included in the kit, so you don't need any aftermarket for that. I had some issues, and this is one of the things I put it on the shelf for. In the rear of the turret, the way it fit. In an earlier video, I explained how to do that. Once I got that resolved, it went together pretty quick. I got some medical gauze for a camo net for this large bin back here. One of the things you'll need to watch out for is the fit on these hatches. Use some references, go online. These hatches are almost flush up here, and this guy, that's the best I could get him. He's still a little bit down, but I'm going to call that a win. But just watch these hatches and you should be fine. Use some references to see how they actually fit. The Germans on the Leo 1 and the Leo 2 had these odd hatches that are two-pieced, that are separated by spacers, and I don't really understand that. The MG42 that you get with this, MG42, MG3, the grandson of the MG42, it's a nice machine gun. It's very few parts. You have the skate mount, you've got the MG itself, the ammo box, and you have this. I'm just going to call this a recoil reducer. So and it wasn't fiddly. You just had to be careful how it went together. I didn't think there was positive points on there, so I got it to fit best I can, but not really a problem. You get a vinyl piece for up here. It's the same material that the track's made out of. You got to super glue these. The gun elevates to a point because it bumps into that, but at this point, you know, I'm not interested in that. We had poly caps for the road wheels, which I always appreciate. You get some tow rope. You get some tow rope for the, you fix him. You get some tow rope for the tow cables. The connection of the tow cables to the eyelets isn't really that great. You know, I've seen on later models, on later kits, where it's a two-piece affair where you actually sandwich it in there. So, and that's okay. It just varies. One thing I really liked about this, the grenade launchers, one piece. You get 4 on a bracket, one piece, clean them up, job done. You had positive fits for these grab handles. Thought that was nice. You get one two-piece track link. You get these snow grousers. They painted up nice. Track's a rubber band. You got to super glue them. They took the paint okay. Overall, this is a really nice kit. For the money I spent, came out in 2006. There are a lot better kits out there now. It's still better than the Italeri Leo 2A4. Although at some point I'd like another go at that, because years ago I couldn't complete it, so I'm not going to let that kid beat me. But other than that, you get some photo etch, you get polycaps. It's a reasonable fit. Use online references. I don't really have a lot of references for the Leos, but it's a nice kit. Hans will play us out. I've got some stills coming up. You guys take care. We're up to 108 subscribers. Thank you very much for being part of this experience. You guys take care. All right, bye now.